Motorized Roman blinds installation instruction. Start by attaching the battery hooks to the back of the top rail of the Roman blind. Battery charging port facing down. This makes it easier to recharge later. Connect the power. Batteries can also be taped directly to the top rail. Note that the charging port is facing down. Next, mark and fix the mounting brackets in the window frame. 2 pieces per meter. Distance from wall, 10 cm, depth of 5 cm. Screws to secure the mounting brackets. The same for the other side. Note, mounting brackets must be in the same level line. Engage the inside groove first. And then push it in hard. Push up from outside. Slowly release the grip. Straighten out the power cables to complete the installation. If it needs to be removed, push in hard first. Outside, just lower it down. And then just take it out. This is the effective installation.